Good advertisement, I reckon.
For Patreon.
For Patreon.
Patreono. Yeah, the Patreonos, they get the good stuff.
What's the tiers like? Is it like this is...
There's plenty of tears out of your eyes at the moment.
yeah.
G'day guys, it's Ninja and
Hello.
young Matty.
Yes.
He's here, he's got a bit of a sore hip, the hip flexor here, TFL.
Yeah, TFL, went for a run, and because my right foot's a bit cooked, I was limping with my left, so overcompensated. So whole TFL, glute, hip area is pretty cooked, so yeah, please help me out.
Yeah, no worries. And you got the toe spacers on too, man. That might be interesting for people.
Yeah.
You've been donning them a bit lately, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been rock climbing, so the rock climbing shoes have been squashing them in, so I need something to help get them back out, help the bunion out a bit because it's causing me foot pain. But this, yeah, feel nice with my toe spacers. Yeah, hip.
Yeah, let's do the hip.
Yep.
Lie down, man. I'll
All right.
throw the towel on you, man.
Outdoors. Melbourne's pretty much the last sunny day, I think.
Yeah, we're going to make the most of it. I'll try and pull this down a little bit. How's that?
Yeah, it's good, man. So TFL right
in
there.
So we're just going to get the elbow straight into it. What do you reckon?
Oh,
Just slightly.
just light.
Yeah.
Please.
So yeah, elbow doesn't mean that you have to go all guns blazing. It can be a nice broad tool, and yeah, it gives you a chance to settle a little bit. So what I'm doing, I'm just sort of placing my elbow on Matty's TFL, tensa fascia latte. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
I thought a latte was a drink you had, mate.
Nah,
TFL.
not in this case.
TFL, way to remember that. TFL, top of your fucking leg.
Oh, yeah, true.
You like that?
Yeah, I'll tell clients that next time.
Yeah, mate, it's one to break the ice.
Yeah.
So what I've done here, I can feel where that little fossa, little place in here where the bone, the tendon starts. I'm just trying to get right to the start of that tendon, and then just I'm just gradually getting more and more pressure. How's that feel, man?
Yeah, it's okay. I think it's probably lower, but
Yeah.
at least we're getting to the start of where it connects onto the bone.
By doing it this way, I'm not going to miss 1 millimeter of tightness. So what I'm doing now, I'm just starting to angle my pressure down like that.
Yep.
So just that little angle change was what was needed to hit the spot that Matty needs. But because I was able to get access, like put the key in the keyhole, I put it in at the top, then and rather than just going straight into that really sore spot and be kicked out, because we have that flight or fight when we feel like something's going to hurt us. So yeah, we're kind of able to sneak up on it a little bit and yeah, hit it really well. So
Yep.
this is probably only 30 or 40% pressure,
Yeah.
and it's still effective right now, you reckon, or you need a bit more?
I feel like it's lower.
Yeah, no, we need to scoop through it then.
Scoop the bastard out.
That's right.
Crikey. Okay.
That's it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Barry, we scooped your bloody hamstring out. That was the last
yeah.
time we were out.
Yeah, haven't needed a hamstring.
saw Barry.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, he's
At your party.
party.
Oof. Yeah, you guys were not together at the same time sometimes.
Yeah, well, very rarely you'll see us together. We don't really, get along that well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's busy with the ladies.
Yeah, he loves Wombat. Wombat, we call him.
Oh.
Eats root shoots and leaves.
Yep.
So
Okay.
does all right, Barry.
Okay. Yeah.
Those mesmerising eyes. That's why he wears the sunglasses, he tells me.
Yeah.
Because as soon as he takes the sunglasses off, his eyes are mesmerising. So
they're too dangerous.
He's dangerous, and he doesn't give all the blokes a chance. So other blokes in the world don't have a chance when Barry's around.
Yeah.
Just going more into it now. So I'm going
Yep.
down a bit lower.
Ah.
There,
All right. Okay. We're on to it.
we're onto it now.
We're on to it.
We didn't miss it. That's the point, isn't it? So this is where you need the work.
Yeah.
I hate getting this work done on myself.
TFL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did
Spicy.
100% TFL. I didn't even last 10%. 10 seconds.
10 seconds, yeah.
10%, 10 seconds. It was just.
Who was treating you?
Aaron. I don't know actually. It might have been. I think. Yeah.
All
Might
of
have
them?
been Darcy. Yeah. Yeah. It was on Patreon.
Sign up to Patreon to see some solid content.
Yeah. We've got some good stuff coming up. Matty's kind of going to be a bit more involved with our YouTube channel now? Like he's going to do some
Yeah.
planning on doing each month a bit of something different.
Yep. Get ready for some sick content.
Yeah, got one coming up soon. Bit of goal kicking, bit of Aussie
Ah,
Australian rules football.
Oh, shit.
Am I on the spot?
Yeah.
Can you guide me? Am I just going all right?
Yep. It's when you do that crowbar.
Yeah, crowbar it out.
All Tourette's is gonna be coming out. But be nice and gentle
Yeah.
and fragile.
Yeah. Well, look after you, mate.
Where's the cameraman at? Oh, your mum.
She's not going to help you right now, mate.
Oh.
Onto new territory. So it looks like I haven't moved, but I've moved probably 5 millimeters, I reckon.
The first fleet. Oh, new territory.
Yeah,
Oh, your mum.
got to explore, colonise
Colonise the TFL.
the TFL, taken over.
It feels like it's so tender that it's like it's not letting go of it, but it's on the spot.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you have to
crikey.
be patient.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got to go with my pace.
Yeah. Your pace.
You're doing good.
Your TFL's pace.
TFL's pace.
Yeah.
Ooh.
If you try and rush it, you're forcing it. You know, you're
Yeah.
injecting your will into it rather than, just acknowledging the pace that it's unraveling at,
Yeah, that's
respecting it.
some great sex advice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matty, yeah, we'll just cut it there. The king, we
Yeah.
call him.
Me,
King Matty.
Short King.
King Matthew.
Short King Matty.
Yeah.
Oos.
Us.
Oof. Yeah, I take on all your advice with work and
Yeah.
in the bedroom.
Yeah.
Might have got this out. Oh, crikey. Crikey.
How we going? I reckon we're getting through it.
I was running up this hill and my leg on the right side just wouldn't move anymore. So my poor left leg had to just limp up this hill by itself.
You hopped up, did you, mate?
Hopped up pretty much. And then I got to the top and I had to take my shoes off because I was like, everything feels too tight. And my foot couldn't move and then the leg was cooked. Oh, shivers.
Yeah.
And then I hopped back home, down the hill, and then I couldn't walk up the stairs. I done myself a mischief.
Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna. I reckon we'll wrap this little part up because we want to do a little bit on your glute as well. So.
Yeah, the glute was pumped. A lot in TFL.
Really?
But glute was pumped.
Bit of pump class.
Yeah.
That's what we like.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow, we
Slowly coming out.
Crikey.
See a big red mark there? Come around here, Leo.
Yeah, get out of it.
Look, red mark there.
Is it?
Just held that same spot for, I don't know how long we've been going, 5 or 10 minutes?
Plus 10.
10, so 10 minutes on one spot. Let's flip you over, brother. I'll keep your modesty.
Thank you. Save it for the patrons.
Yeah. And so I always get mixed up left and right, but got it right this time. So I'm going to try and get into some spots through here. If I go there, I'm going to get in the shadow, aren't I? Pull it down a little bit.
Does that stay?
Yep. How's that for the light? I feel like I'm blocking the light. Spot there.
Yeah.
We'll come around. Here we go. Look at that. Light experts. Ninja. Look at that. Yeah. Do ayahuasca in this one, this jungle.
Oh.
We reckon. Go on a trip. Yeah, journey.
Go on a journey, don't know where we'll end up.
Ayahuasca.
Ah,
How's that, man?
yeah.
This is kind of the area that you needed.
Yeah, it's definitely
Gonna
lots
pin
in
these
there.
tendons, and if one needs to be scooped, that's what we'll do. Bloody nice day, Matty. Good day to get a suntan, mate.
Yeah, I need to tan up the olive skin.
Yeah. Yeah, charge the battery up.
Yeah, looking at the screens a bit too much. Eyes need to see some natural light.
Yeah.
Oh, I say that as I'm heading to a dark purple towel right now.
You see this back six pack?
He's got a
What?
back six pack, this bloke.
What?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
I've got pecs on my back. Maybe
Oh,
we
yeah.
should put our backs together, mate.
See, get a side-by-side comparison.
Yeah. How did you go with the pull-ups last week? The 15 to 6. Get them done.
Wow.
I only got down to 9.
No, I got to 10.
Yeah.
Me and Harry got to 10. It's just
Yeah.
so much.
It's pretty tough, wasn't it?
So what's
I
that?
did the
15,
dips.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
So what we were doing, we did a set of 15, had a little rest, set of 14, and tried to get down to 6 reps in 7 minutes. That was the parameters. And we also did the dips as well, 15 down to 6. I got the dips done, but then I had to
Nice.
do the pull-ups afterwards. So I was sort of,
That's a hard
Pre-fatigued.
combo. Dips
Yeah.
first is, it's kind of easier, but you get pretty pumped. So
Yeah.
by the time you have to do pull-ups, you're like, oh, the lactic acid is a bit too much now.
yeah,
Whereas dips is easier, so that's why I like to do it second.
yeah.
Try it next time.
Someone had to go first.
Yeah, someone had to do it.
So I'm trying to get back to where I was about 7 or 8 years ago. I got 50 reps on my pull-ups. Leo and Maddie, they got 50 reps in December 2022. So I'd like to get that grip strength back, to be
Yeah.
able to hang on to the bar for that long. And
I think you should learn a bit more strict form, and then it'll help you with strength
Yeah.
for your kipping technique, I think.
might have to get Maddie and Leo to coach me with my dips. The way I did it last time, I had a strategy, and I'm kind of remembering what happened was it took me 18 months, and I just every week for 18 months I worked on my pull-ups just once a week, and sometimes twice maybe, but it was a very hard journey. Like there was so many times where I kind of went backwards or I was stuck on a certain number. I remember being stuck on 23, for instance, for ages, like for 3 months or something. I couldn't get past it.
Yeah.
And but I know that once I kind of had this, I don't know, body of work behind me, I just sort of went, just went like that, and then I just got better and better. But I had to have I think it was over 6 months of consistent work, and then it started to get better. It might have even been longer, like 9 months, I think. And then I started to get into the 30s and 40s
Nice.
every time I wanted, and then 3 times I hit 50. So yeah, I'm keen to do that. At 50, I think that would be a pretty good achievement.
Yeah, that's sick.
So
We can make a reel out of that, I think.
50 at 50, who can do it?
Yeah. Anyway, I can make a fun little reel for that, I think.
Yeah,
Do pull up our age.
pull up your age.
Yeah.
Where I'm at a disadvantage.
Jeez.
Maybe you need to double your age
Yeah.
when you're below 30.
Yeah, then we can change
and
it.
then
New challenge for the end of the year.
1/2 times your age when you're in your 30s, or something like that. Then try and do your age once you're in your 40s or something.
I'm trying to do a pull up with my weight extra.
Yeah,
So I weigh 69, but 70 pretty much. So if I can do a pull up with a weighted belt with that amount of weight extra, that'll be fun. That'll be a good goal to have. I'm at 65 at the moment. Just need to get that extra just range of my neck.
yeah.
How about you, Leo? What can you get? You
I
don't,
think
don't practice it.
65 kilos, so
Yeah.
Lightweight,
Lightweight.
you
You're
guys.
65?
dad bod.
Yeah.
65.
Dad bod.
5 kilos.
Yeah,
How
I've
we
got,
go there?
got my weight in my pecs. My pecs weigh me down.
If you took out your pecs, mate, you'd only be 50.
I'm pretty stocky, I think.
What do you say about the pecs?
If you have pecs, you'll get sex.
Get the girls.
Yep.
Girls get the girls, mate. That's why he's growing the big mullet.
Malay. Malay.
The mullet.
Yeah.
Fancy for mullet. You're from the better end of town, aren't you? You don't have a mullet. You
Nah.
have a mullet.
Yeah, it's different. This curly mop.
The T is silent.
Bit fancy. Oh, crikey. Oof.
This is going to fix you for sure.
Yeah, creeping up to it.
creeping up to the where you need it.
Yeah, I think
I'm
so.
coming to the top
Yeah.
of that femur, and I can feel it underneath on the bottom
Yeah.
side of my elbow. It's coming up.
Yeah.
A solid bit of tissue that we need to
Oh,
melt
shit.
down. So you can kind of see from this whole treatment, we haven't been moving fast at all. It's just been lots of pinning, holding, and kind of respecting where Maddie's, body's at, and encouraging it to melt down.
Yeah.
And in this sort of one here, I want to
Oh.
crowbar it in there like that, and then angle it out.
Yeah.
So it kind of encourages to not be so short and jammed, compressed into these spots. I'm just trying to melt that tissue and fray it up.
Yeah, what he said. I'm trying to envision the pain.
Yeah, you can really help out at your treatment by visualizing, imagine,
Oh, shit.
What color is it? If it's a grey or a dark color, what would healthy color be? You might say pink or something. So
Yeah.
you can kind of visualize the color of the tissue beneath the skin, going from grey to pink. You can imagine it melting. You visualize something melting in there, like even if it's like, how a chocolate melts. Imagine a nice pink chocolate, say, how healthy that would be. How a healthy chocolate would be up against one that's just so hard you couldn't chew on it, you couldn't bite it.
Yeah. That's true. A lot of people would be like really like, this, just kind of just getting through it and by not breathing and tensing and stuff.
Yeah.
Whereas if they just come on, just let the whole nervous system chill out a bit,
Yeah.
it'll help the treatment a lot.
Breathing is such an important thing. We don't kind of acknowledge it enough. When you're breathing out, if you exaggerate your outward breath, that's when you let things go. That's when the body relaxes. So if you can kind of concentrate on your breathing, because when you're shallow breathing, that's an anxiety thing. You're holding onto your breath, that's a depression thing. So if you kind of breathe in, exaggerate your breath out, it just does something to regulate your body and helps with the treatment, letting things go, letting things melt down and heal, and you can kind of work together with somebody to get in there where they need to get into and encourage it to heal.
Yeah.
I reckon we're just about done. What do you reckon?
Yep, I reckon so.
Just this last little bit
Do it before and after.
in there.
Run down here,
My undies.
bro. Huh?
Run up the hill in your undies.
They're better than I
Oh.
There you go, in there.
Yeah, a little bit in there. Oh.
And it's gonna hold on one last spot.
Yeah.
Found the magic spot. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Melted away?
Yeah. If there's any more, we'll get through it on the
Get through it in a
Patreon.
minute. In Patreon.
Let's test her out. Ugh. Oos, 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 oos,
Look at that.
oos.
Backflip. See a guy done a backflip
I'll get back to work. Thank you.
Guy did a backflip in the AFL after he kicked a goal from Fremantle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe on the concrete.
Yeah.
Another
right.
day. Outro. I'm not
What do you reckon? I'm in the light. Done!
done. Ah!